All the new Nissan models arriving by 2027. From Sentra to Frontier, Nissan, one of Japan's most iconic automakers, has faced serious turbulence in recent years. From disappointing sales figures and deep financial woes to stalled merger talks with Honda and a high-profile CEO resignation, the brand has been navigating through a crisis. But Nissan isn't giving up. Instead, it's fighting back with a bold new product offensive. Over the next 2 years, Nissan plans to introduce more than 14 new and refreshed models globally, spanning sedans, SUVs, pickups, electric vehicles, EVs, and hybrids. The strategy is crystal clear: renew consumer interest, rebuild market confidence, and push the brand into the future through electrification and innovation. Here's a full breakdown of what to expect from Nissan globally, from the US to Europe, India, and Australia, as it redefines its lineup through 2027. North America. Electric ambition meets practical utility. 2026 Nissan Leaf. From hatchback to high-tech crossover. Once a pioneer in the EV space, the Nissan Leaf is getting a long overdue overhaul. The upcoming 2026 Nissan Leaf will no longer be a compact hatchback. Instead, it's transforming into a sleek, aerodynamic electric crossover that looks more in line with modern customer tastes. Gone is the bulbous silhouette. In comes a sharper design with a coupe-inspired roofline, 19-inch wheels, and a glassy panoramic roof. Built on the CMF EV platform, which also underpins the Nissan Ariya, the next-gen Leaf promises significant range improvements, possibly over 300 miles, and faster charging capabilities. Perhaps most importantly, it will be the first Nissan EV to support the NACS, Tesla's charging connector, meaning it will be fully compatible with the Tesla supercharger network from launch. 2026 Nissan Rogue. More efficient, more electrified. The next Nissan Rogue, known as the X-Trail in other regions, will offer a range of new powertrains. While the current Rogue sticks to gasoline-only engines, the next iteration will offer hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The e-Power Hybrid, which uses a small gas engine to generate electricity for the electric motor driving the wheels, will make its way to North American shores. Interestingly, the upcoming Rogue PHEV won't be a fully in-house Nissan design. Instead, it will be a rebadged Mitsubishi Outlander, thanks to the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi alliance. That's not necessarily a bad thing. The Outlander PHEV is a capable, well-received SUV, but it does mean enthusiasts looking for something completely original may be left wanting. Facelifted 2025 Pathfinder. The rugged Nissan Pathfinder is getting a mid-cycle refresh for 2025. Expect updated front and rear styling that aligns with Nissan's evolving design language, as well as possible interior tech upgrades and new driver assist features. While it won't be a full overhaul, the tweaks should help keep the Pathfinder competitive in a crowded midsize SUV segment. 2025 Nissan Sentra. Compact with character. Compact sedans aren't exactly the darlings of the automotive world these days, but Nissan isn't abandoning the segment. The next-generation Nissan Sentra, expected in 2025, will offer sharper exterior styling, a more tech-forward cabin, and likely some degree of electrification, possibly mild hybrid tech to boost fuel economy. With affordability and efficiency as its core strengths, the new Sentra could regain relevance among budget-conscious buyers. New adventure-focused EV SUV, 2027. Nissan also teased an all-new electric SUV with rugged, off-road-inspired styling. Set to enter production at the Canton, Mississippi plant by 2027, this yet unnamed SUV will feature a boxy silhouette, chunky fenders, and futuristic lighting elements. Designed for adventurous drivers and outdoor enthusiasts, it will likely offer all-wheel drive and a generous electric range. Europe, a new chapter of electrification. Electric Micra, 2025. Europe will see the debut of a fully electric Nissan Micra, finally transitioning from its long-standing gas-powered roots. Developed alongside the Renault 5 E-Tech, the new Micra EV will retain its friendly, city-friendly proportions, but will now feature zero-emissions performance and modern technology. Expect it to be an affordable and highly efficient urban commuter, targeting entry-level EV buyers across the continent. Electric Juke, from hyperpunk to production. A major surprise is the arrival of an electric version of the Nissan Juke, inspired by the bold, hyperpunk concept shown in 2023. This version will be drastically different from the gas-powered Juke, featuring aggressive, sculpted bodywork, quirky proportions, and a fully digital cabin. While performance specs are still under wraps, it's expected to offer strong urban range and appeal to style-conscious drivers. Qashqai e-Power Hybrid. The Nissan Qashqai, one of Europe's top-selling compact SUVs, will adopt the third-generation e-Power hybrid system. This means smoother acceleration, improved fuel economy, and lower emissions, all without requiring the driver to plug in. It's a crucial update for eco-conscious urbanites who aren't quite ready for a full EV. Latin America and Australia. Trucks take center stage. 2026 Frontier Navara for Latin America will get an all-new Nissan Navara, aka Frontier, pickup by 2026. Unlike the US spec Frontier, which was redesigned in 2022, the LATAM version will be a ground-up refresh of the aging Navara platform. Expect a